Hi everyone, happy Friday. Today is a whole week of remote learning and you guys have accomplished. Good job. You guys can do a happy dance with me. Yes, you guys are probably wondering if I'm wearing the same clothes as your video call. Yes, I am because I record my videos a day in advance so that they are ready for you to see on the day that you need to do your work, right? At 8 a.m. So I upload all my videos a day before. But today your literacy lesson will be to go into Epic and then read the book that has been assigned to you. But before you do that, you need to go on to Google Classroom and then look at your to-do list. Okay, so you'll click your waffles, click on the Google Classroom, Miss Flores English Literacy. Scroll down a little bit on stream and look for your to-do list for the day, which actually is here. Okay, to-do list for Friday, April 10th, 2020, 5 steps. It's actually more like 6 steps, so let me change that. So first step will be to watch the video. Click on the link. Step number 2, read the assigned book on Epic called Watch Over Our Water. Step number 3 is to complete classwork assigned title Watch Over Our Water. It has to go with your book, so you have to read this book to be able to answer your quiz questions. And then you will find a Google quiz with your name, and you can just start answering all of the questions and click submit when done. Okay. Step number 4 is to go into Amplify for 20 minutes. Remember, today is a deadline for our Amplify challenge. The link is also here in case you haven't seen it already. Your Amplify challenge ends today at 4 p.m., 4 o'clock this afternoon. And so you guys have to be reading or have to have been on Amplify for an hour and 40 minutes, because 20 minutes a day will add up to an hour and 40 minutes. So I know if you were on our video call yesterday, I called all the names who were already good to go for our raffle. If you know that you've logged in maybe once for 10 minutes and you need to log in today, you can still do it. You can log in today for an hour and 30 minutes, and then that would get you to an hour and 40 minutes and get you entered into our raffle, okay? You also need to log into Epic. Aside from reading the book that you have been assigned, you also need to go onto Epic for 20 minutes and then read for 20 whole minutes, okay? Again, I've included the link to the timer here in case you want to see it on your screen. So you would just click the link. That should be in blue. For me, it's a little bit different, so I just have to go on here, open a tab. Once it loads, again, 20 minutes, you have to be on each website, so you can just put 20 minutes. You'll do 2000 set and then click start, okay? And then this is a little monster race. So that's for your timer. And then I also put a message here. Don't forget to check out your Google Math classroom. Remember, you have stuff to do on both classes, not just literacy. I'll get out of here. Okay, so the next steps are to go onto Epic and then click on the book that has been assigned. When you guys log into Epic, you guys have to make sure you are clicking on your name. Remember that our class code is SGL6212, in case you guys have forgotten, okay? And so this book will pop up and say, oh, Ms. Flores has assigned you this book. You'll click read this book, or I'm not sure what exactly it says, but you'll click it. And actually, because I went through it to make your quiz, let me start it over. Okay, so you'll start it, you'll read it, and then let's say, okay, let's say you don't know what map, how to say map, how to read map, or what it means. So you can click map. It'll say it to you, and then it has definitions of the word map. Okay. So make sure you're clicking on any word you might not know how to pronounce. I mean, for the most part, I think you guys will be okay, but let's see if a word you guys might not know. Also pay attention to these blue circles here. Some of the questions on your quiz have to do with these blue circles here. This is also text from the book, so you have to be reading everything, okay? Okay, let's see, you don't know how to say this word. Okay, it tells you how to pronounce it, and then it gives you definition of how it can be used. Okay. Then once you get all the way to the end, it also has a glossary here. Whoops, maybe. Nope, I thought I saw it. Okay, maybe not. I thought I had seen the glossary. Whoops. Okay, nope. Okay, but in case you need any words, you just, oh, there it was. Oops. Sorry, Miss Flores is trying to learn how to, oh, there it was. Okay. Glossary is just tiny, right? It's right here. So there are 5 words that you might not know what they mean, so they put them here in case you need the definition. So conserve, drinkable, flush, leak, and litter. Those are all some important words in the text that you might not know what they mean, okay? And then also there's some websites in the back that you are able to click on. Or actually, you're not able to click on, or maybe, nope. Okay, so, but there's websites in case you want to learn more, then you can just go to those websites. Remember that in this water unit, we are learning about the distribution of water and how we can conserve it and how we can raise awareness for others to do the same, right? So I thought this book was nice for you guys to read and then get an idea of how you can protect our water, okay? So once you read the whole book, you need to read the whole book, then you'll have to go back to Google Classroom, go on your classwork and look for your assignment called Watch Over Our Water. It is a quiz, so you'll click on the quiz, and then this page will come up. It's asking for your email address. I don't know if it's going to be automatically filled. Otherwise, it's that email address that when you log into a computer, that's your email address, your Mapleton email address that you would set here, okay? So for example, I go all the way to the top. So that's this, right? If you have your login sheet, your Mapleton username, which is your school email, is what you would put in that blank if it doesn't fill automatically for you, okay? And then you'll answer the questions. Some of them say select all that apply. If it says select all, that most likely means it's more than one answer. And also, if you look at the points, that can give you a hint how many answers you need to choose. If it's only one answer, then it's only worth 1 point, okay? So once you're done, you're going to click submit. And if you want a copy of your response, you can select here to send you a copy. Okay, so once you do your quiz, then you can go back to your to-do list in case you don't remember what you need to do now. And then it will say you need to go onto Amplify for 20 minutes and Epic. So make sure that you go into Amplify for 20 minutes. Once that time is up, you can go back into Epic and read for 20 minutes, okay? And then that is all for today. That's all you have to do for literacy today. Make sure you're reading that book on Epic that I have assigned, answer the quiz, go on to Amplify, and then go again into Epic. All right, you guys, you have a good weekend.